Welcome to our YouTube channel, Your Go, to resource for business success. Today, we're diving into the world of CNC projects that sell. If you want to outrank your competitors and boost your business, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. CNC technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, offering precision, speed, and versatility. By incorporating CNC projects into your business, you open up a world of opportunities. In this video, we'll explore 3 highly profitable CNC projects that can take your business to new heights. Project number 1, customized furniture and decor pieces. With CNC technology, you can transform raw materials into unique and intricate designs that cater to your customers' preferences. Imagine beautifully carved wooden tables, artistic wall hangings, and even cutting boards. The demand for personalized furniture and decor pieces is skyrocketing, and CNC can help you meet that demand. Project number 2, customized picture frames. Everyone loves capturing memories, and with CNC technology, you can create stunning, customized picture frames. From intricate designs to personalized engravings, CNC-crafted picture frames add an extra touch of elegance and uniqueness. Tap into the sentimental market and offer your customers picture frames that truly stand out. Project number 3, custom wooden signs. Effective signage is crucial for any business, and CNC technology allows you to create custom wooden signs that leave a lasting impression. Whether it's for businesses, events, or home decor, CNC-crafted wooden signs offer a rustic charm and a touch of craftsmanship. Stand out from the crowd and offer your customers beautifully carved wooden signs that make a statement. By incorporating these CNC projects into your business, you can unlock new opportunities and surpass your competitors. The benefits are clear: precise detailing and customization, reduced material waste, and optimized resource utilization. Whether it's personalized furniture, cutting boards, picture frames, or wooden signs, CNC projects offer endless possibilities for business growth. And there you have it. We've explored 3 highly profitable CNC projects that can help you take your business to the next level. The world of CNC technology is waiting for you to seize the opportunities it offers. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace CNC projects and unlock your business's full potential. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll bring you more tips and strategies to help your business thrive. Until then, take care and happy CNC crafting.